Wow, so much room for activities. Like another radiator. You're stupid. What a world speaker here. It's day 2 of Trash to Track, and we're going to be working on this piece of trash. No, I love this thing. Where we left off last time is we took off the intercooler. Today's objective is to, well, we're primarily assessing the wiring harness. We do have another one, so we want to figure out if we're going to pull the wiring harness or not. So today we're mainly just cleaning. So we're taking things off, like all the radiator components, because we're going to replace the radiator anyways. And whatever we can get to that can expose more of the wiring. Originally, this model didn't come with an intercooler, so that's why there's a giant hole in the fan shroud. Oh, man. Okay, what's with this? It's ridged or, like, threaded. This is the weirdest thing I've seen. Is this stock? If you know, let me know. Well, it's actually got a spring in it or something. Very interesting. Oh, looks like you already finished the game. I haven't made like any progress. But lunch today is macaroni and cheese. And I hope you're having a great day. And if not, then cheers to better days. I'm gonna focus on just removing the radiator components, including the AC, and that will free up a lot of room. And from there, I think we can kind of like access the side of the engine bay. Yeah, I'm finished eating. I'll catch up with you later. It's been a while, but we finally have done something. This is off. Yay. It's the end of the car now. We're gonna have to do some work here. Right now, we're gonna get this bracket off. I'm trying to get the radiator and the AC stuff. This old turbo fan or whatever, that's what it's called in the book. Good thing I've been wearing eye protection, because like, as you can see, all that's been coming out of here. It might be really hard for me to show you. The reason I'm having a hard time getting it out is that bend there, if you can see it. So as I try to pull this out, it should pull straight out. But as I pull it out, that lip there is crushing. You see how it's like curved? Anyways, it's preventing this to coming out. So I have to get this out first. Yeah. Progress. So it wasn't the AC compressor that's bent, it's whatever this bracket is. So I've been working this out, trying to bend it down so we can get back down, so we can get this over it. So we can get the radiator over it. I think that's it, buddy. Destroying cobwebs. I feel kind of bad. The Z has been claimed by them, and we are reclaiming them. Thanks for watching day 2, Trash to Track. I will catch you tomorrow when we get the same thing. Happy that we were able to get the radiator out, as well as bend out that bar. We know that there's a ton of work to do on this car, and I'm pretty excited about it. If you are too, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. I got the green light going on.